Assalamu alaikum friends. So today I'm gonna show you how to load the new fxml file into the current window. So in my case this is my simple program of main. So if I run this, as you can see here, these are my two buttons. So if I click on this delete button, the new window should be displayed in this current window. So if I, as I made a video on this in previous video, if I click the create account, now this new scene is loaded. So this is the new scene, separate scene. So instead of making a separate scene, I want to load the new scene here into the current window by clicking this delete button. So let's do this in two simple steps. As you can see, if the delete button is clicked, this area will be called, this area will be loaded, executed. So in this delete button, this I handled the event in my previous videos. If you don't know how to handle this, just learn this in. So now what are the point to be noted, to be keep in mind that my first window is this the main page. So the just check this in scene builder. So this is my first window. As you can see, this is my first window. Now this is the parent, that, and these are the children of this parent. As you can see, uh, okay, sorry for that interruption. So this is my uh, so this is the parent, okay, grid pane, and the my first window. And if I check the second window, open it in scene builder. The In this second window I have a parent of anchor pane, as you can see. So I will be loading this anchor pane into that first window. So just if you check now, just uh, so now what will I do in control class? If I click this, now I will load the second fxml file. So as you can see in second, this is my second fxml file. So run it in scene builder again. So the parent should be in my mind. So this is the parent of this second fxml file. Now just edit it and add the name. So in my case I am using pen. So just save this by just enter and control as this file is saved. Now you can see in this pen anchor pen id is created. So this anchor pen id is created here, and I think I did a mistake here. So there is no need of this pen, because I will load this into that first pen. So okay, just get rid of this, enter. So there is no need of this, just forget about so the as you can see, the second window parent was anchor pane. So what will I do? I will load this fxml file into anchor pane. So just create anchor pane fxml layout. Now pane is equal to whatever your name is. So my pane equals fxml loader. So dot load, and get class dot get resources. Now the file is create account. This is the second file. So create account dot fxml. So as you can see, this file, the parent of that file was anchor pane. I will show it again. So as you can see, open it in builder. So just check the parent of this file. So this file parent is anchor pane, as you can see here, and these are their children. So this is loaded in this controller class. So this is loaded in this anchor pane. So this part is done. Now what will I do? I will, as you can see in the first, I will load this into my first window. So this is my first window. If I run it in scene builder, check its scene builder and check the parent of the scene builder. So this scene builder parent of this is grid pane. So that's here you will give the name of as I am giving the name of grid. So enter and press Ctrl S to save this. Now the parent of the first window is grid pane and the parent of the second window was anchor pane. So whatever the parent is, you will do like so this is the parent and the name id is generate grid. So as you can see, this field is created here in the fxml file. So just double click this id and alt enter. Now create field. This field will be auto generated. So this field is generated automatically and you can also write it manually. So now in this grid pane, so grid, the name is grid. Now get children. As I said that in the first window the parent was grid and these are the children's, and then I will use set all option, set all. So in this set all I will give the second window. Oh sorry, my pane. The second window is my pane. So the second window was anchor pane, which is loaded in this my pane, and I gave this second window into that. So just these are the simple steps. And another point is you should add the exception here. So throw input output exception, input output exception. Okay, just run it. If I run it, I will get the error. Now this error is now just adds exception to method, it will be automatically. So this is the exception of input output. This is important to avoid the exception error. So now run it. Now if I run it, as you can see, if I press the delete account, now this is very cool. The new window is just loaded into that same window. As you can see, run it again and you can see in the previous video, if I click the create account button, the new scene is created separately, but in this if I use this, now this is very cool and flexible. So what we did in this video, just first you have to note the parent of both windows. In the first window parent was a grid pane, and the second fxml file has the pair of anchor pane. So as you can see, now this second file is loaded into this new anchor pane because the parent was anchor pane. Now this is loaded, and as you can see, the first fxml file had the parent of grid. So therefore I just add the grid and I get the parent of my first file, the set all, and this new file is loaded into that. So that's the simple step, and this is very important, the exception. So that's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet in another lecture. So pause the